पिछले वीडियो में हमने आपको एक्सरसाइज 9.5 का सॉल्यूशन दिया, जिसमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 और क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 के कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशन दिए गए थे। नाउ सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, it is b minus 7 whole square. Here we can write using a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. It means first term square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. So it is b square, 2 7 are 14b plus 7 square 49 is the answer. Similarly, second number question A, as xy plus 3z whole square. Here we can use a plus b whole square. It means first term square plus second term square plus 2 into first term into second term. Here x square y square 3 square 9z square plus 2 3 are 6 x y z is the answer. Now see question number third number is 6x square minus 5y whole square. Again here using a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here we can write first term square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term, it means 5y whole square. Here 6 square 36 x raised to power 4 minus 2 6 are 12 12 5 are 60 x square y and plus 5 square 25 y square is the answer. Now see question number 4th. Question number 4th is 2 by 3m plus 3 by 2n whole square. Again here you can use a plus b whole square. It means first term square plus second term square plus 2 into first term 2 by 3m into second term 3 by 2n. Here 2 square 4 3 square 9 m square 3 square 9 2 square 4 n square plus 3 to 3 cancel 2 to 2 cancel. So 2 mn is the answer. Now see question number 5th. Question number 5th is 0.4p minus 0.5 q whole square. So again using a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. It means 0.4p whole square plus 0.5q whole square minus 2 into first term 0.4p second term 0.5q. So here 4 square 16, it means 0.16 p square 0.25 q square minus 2 4 jar 8 8 5 jar 40 and 2 number पे decimal होगा p q is the answer. 6 number question is 2xy plus 5y 2xy plus 5y whole square. Again here you can use a plus b whole square. It means first term square plus second term square plus 2 into first term into second term. So it is 4x square y square 5 square 25 y square plus 2 2 are 4 5 are 20 x y square is the answer. इस तरह से क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 के सभी सॉल्यूशंस दिए गए। Now see question number 4th first. It is a square minus b square whole square. Here using a minus b whole square we can write here a square यानी first term square plus second term square minus 2 into first term into second term. Here we can write a raised to power 4 plus b raised to power 4 minus 2 a square b square is the answer. Similarly, we can solve the next question on the basis of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square in which two जो है forms are combined as 2x plus 5 whole square plus minus 2x minus 5 whole square. Here you can use a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Here we can write a square plus b square plus 2ab. In second bracket a square plus b square minus 2ab. So it is a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a square minus b square minus minus plus 2ab. So here plus minus cancel 2ab 2ab it is 4ab. So it is 4 for a 2x for b 5 4 2 jar 8 8 5 jar 40. X is the question number 3rd as 7m minus 8n whole square plus 7m plus 8n whole square. It is on the basis of a minus b whole square plus a plus b whole square. Here we can write a square plus b square minus 2ab, and for a plus b whole square we can write here a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here minus and plus cancel, it is 2 into a square plus b square. So here we can write for a 7m square plus for b 8n square. It is 7 square 49, m square 8 square 64, n square is the answer. Similarly, see the next question. If question number 4, it is 4m plus 5n square plus 4m plus 5m plus 4n whole square. Here we have to explain both. Here using a plus b whole square, first term square plus second term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus it is for second first term square plus second term, it means 4n square plus 2 into first term 5n m and second term 4n. Here 4 square 16, m square 5 square 25, n square पर 2 4 जार 8 5 जार 40 mn plus 5 square 25 m square plus 4 square 16 n square plus 2 5 जार 10 4 जार 40 mn. Here 16 and 25 it will be 41 m square, 25 and 16, 41 m square, 40 and 40, it is 80 mn is the answer. Similarly, see fifth number question, it is 2.5 p minus 1.5 q whole square and minus 1.5 p minus 2.5 q whole square. Here we can write for it a minus b whole square. So it is a square, it means first term a square plus second term a square minus 2 into first term 2.5 p, second term 1.5 q and minus in second bracket for it first term 1.5 p whole square plus second term 2.5 q whole square minus 2 into first term 1.5 p into second term 2.5 q. Here again we can write 6.25 p square plus 1.5 square, it means 2.25 q square minus 2.5 to the 5 and 5 into 1.5, it means 7.5 pq. In second bracket here we can write 2.25 p square plus 6.25 q square and minus 2 into 1.5, it means 3 and 3 into 2.5, it means 7.5 pq. Again we can write 6.25 p square plus 2.25 q square minus 7.5 pq minus 2.25 p square minus 6.25 q square minus minus plus 7.5 pq. Here 6.25 minus 2.25, it is 4.0, it means 4 p square and plus 2.25 q square and minus 6.25 q square, it is minus 4.00, it means 4 q square and here plus minus cancel, or 4 can be taken as common in bracket p square minus q square, or we can write 4 into p plus q into p minus q is the answer. Now we can see the next question number 6. Here question number 6 is ab plus bc whole square and minus 2ab square c. Here we can write ab square plus bc square plus 2 into first term ab second term bc minus 2ab square c. Here we can write a square b square plus b square c square plus 2ab square c minus 2ab square c. Here plus minus cancel, so answer we can take b square as common in bracket a square plus c square, it is आंसर। इस तरह से यह जो है क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 आप कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं। फिर नेक्स्ट सोल्यूशन जो है नेक्स्ट वीडियो में सबमिट किया जाएगा। ओके, थैंक्स।